Hello and welcome on this new deeper analysis on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. Also, it's my pleasure to say that I have sent here a deal on last Friday on the gold, of course. And as you can see, the deal on the gold has already been activated exactly from my given price of the sell at 2,346. And as you can see, that level of resistance has indeed been respected. So again, guys, your comments about this is highly appreciated if you wish to, of course. Now, what's next with the gold? So my trade has already been activated and so far is running in about 131 pips of profit. And of course, here on my free group of Telegram, I have already informed everybody to close it right now in 110 pips of profit to secure the pips of profit, of course, because we don't know what will gonna happen next. Maybe the trade was going against our direction, and in my opinion, that is exactly what will gonna happen. So based on the daily chart, we have right here inverted hammer candle, which actually indicates a continuation in the rise. So that's actually dangerous. It means that this trade may be no more valid. Actually, no, it is still valid. But all this candle means is that the next candle might actually be a bullish one, and therefore we have to sell the gold at another certain point. So by moving now to the 4-hour time frame, so we have already sent a signal to sell the gold at 2,346, right? Now that might actually be not required anymore because we are going to sell the gold at a higher point than that, but not that much. So if I look at the structure right now, based on the 4-hour time frame, we cannot ignore the fact that we have right here, of course, a resistance trend line, which most likely is going to be respected because it has been respected for once, twice, thrice, and then here we have actually one bullish breakout candle with zero supported trend line, which means that, my friends, this pattern right here was actually a fake breakout. So being a fake breakout means that the same level of a resistance trend line will most likely gonna be respected again. So that actually gives us an option to sell the gold exactly at the same level of that resistance trend line. Now, by looking here at the left side, we can see clearly that right here exactly right here, we had of course a very strong key level of a resistance that was of course the highest level of a resistance at 2,353.11. that was of course a key support level, and then it was here a real level of a resistance. Now we had here of course the bearish breakout candle, and right before, let me just zoom in to show it to you. Now here we have here the bearish breakout candle from this level of a key support, which of course happens to be on the same level exactly, and here of course it was also a support level as well, which indeed has been broken out from. So most likely, in my opinion, and since here on the daily chart we have that bullish price action indicator, it means that we can expect the next candle to be a bullish one. Then the day after, I think by Monday or Tuesday, the market will reverse upon the pressure from the previous level of a resistance right here at 2,353, plus of course the resistance trend line will most likely gonna be respected. So we have the same analysis, but of course we have changed our entry to be at 2,000 sell at 2,353.11. Okay, now let's talk about the target, because of course we cannot select the entries like that and then select random take profit levels, right? Our take profit levels will be based exactly on the same science behind the resistance trend lines and support trend lines as well. So how do we do that? By simply cloning the same level or the same line that we have just drawn here, and that will be actually, my friends, our take profit level. Now, if we assume that the gold is going to continue the rise till it reaches that level of a resistance, and then it will continue the fall till it reaches the edge of the support trend line, so our take profit level can be at least placed right here exactly at 2,305.81, which means we have actually a potential 480 pips of profit to look at. Now for the safe zone, since we are actually talking about this resistance trend line, our safe zone actually should not exceed the same level of a previous resistance right here exactly, right there at 2,375.40, because if the market actually will be able to reach that level, it means that this level of a resistance trend line has indeed been broken out from, and this trade has no longer validity. Therefore, that will be actually our edge of the safe zone, just like this. And take profit level will be, of course, again right here at 2300.5, 2305.81. I believe it's going to be a good deal, and hopefully it will be a profitable one. Again, don't trade by yourself, my friends. Always trade with the Xtreme Trader team. Now, how do you do that? By simply joining our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. Sending updates here on YouTube is just impossible. Therefore, I will do the best I can to update you directly here on Telegram. And then you can actually join it for free, of course. All you have to do is just check the description below of this video to find the link, or you can just look at it here, Xtreme Trader Signals. Of course, I have to warn you that there is a lot of scammers using our name and logo to pretend to be Xtreme Trader. Of course, due to our high and good reputation in this field, there is at least 10 scammers have done that. So please be aware and careful about them. This is the real group of Telegram for Xtreme Trader. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.